The benefits of this product are there's no more soaking in acetone, same long-lasting shine and colour wear, protects natural nail from soak-off damage, healthier alternative to soak-off gel removal. First of all, carry out your nail preparation. Dehydrate the nail plate. Apply number 1, the prep. Next apply number 2, the fuse. Now apply Peel It, using long brush strokes, ensuring good coverage over the entire nail plate. Allow to air dry. Once dry, apply number 3, the base coat. Cure for 30 seconds. Apply the first layer of your chosen colour. We've chosen Kiss in Paris for this one. And cure for 30 seconds. Next apply the second layer of your chosen colour. And cure for 30 seconds. Next apply number 5, which is the top coat. Cure for 30 seconds. And cleanse and dry wipe the nail. To remove, simply use your soak-off tool to gently lift around the edge. And pull away gently from the nail plate. As you can see, there's no damage to the natural nail.